Hello students, hope you all are well. Today we shall see topic light class 8. Okay, now topic is light class is 8 and chapter number 16. Topic, let me write light. The first thing, what is light? The light is, I am writing, what is the light? Try to understand. Whenever you are seeing any object due to only and only light. If light is not available, you can't see. At night we can't see. When light is absent, we can't see. We cannot find any object. If you want to see the table, then you need light. So light will come from the table to your eye, and then its image will be formed in your eye, and then you will understand, yes, it's a table. Your eye will inform to the head, means brain. So light is what? Light is energy, which enable us to see any object. Means light is energy which enable us, which help us to see any object or anything you are seeing. This is due to only and only light. So light is a energy. Okay. Second point, light always travel on a straight path. Light is always traveling on the straight path. What is the meaning? Light will not go in the curve path. If you have a curve like this, the light will not go like this. Light will go directly here to here. Path is however it is. It means that if your home is here and you want to send the light here, and road is like this. If this is the road, suppose this is your one place, this is another place, you want to send the light from here to here. If you turn on the light here, the light will not go here to here and here to here. It will go directly straight way, in short way, on the short path. So light is always traveling on the short path, a straight path. Okay. Okay, fine. Then another point we need to learn is topic is reflection. Next is reflection. First I need to know that light. We should know the light. Light is energy which enable us to see, which allow us to see, which help us to see. Then we have seen the light always travel on the straight path. It do not travel on curve path. Next is reflection. Reflection. What is called reflection? What is reflection? Reflection means when light is coming and hitting any surface, and after hitting to the surface, light is turning back in the same medium, then it is called reflection. You may have done this many things in your real life. You can see, if you are sitting in the classroom and from anywhere light is coming in your classroom, from any window or anything, and if you are wearing watch, you may have seen that you may have done that. The light is coming in the classroom, you are using your watch to disturb others. So you are doing like this, so some other place will shine. So light will come here. After coming here, this surface will reflect light there. So this is reflection of light. Okay, so this is the way the light is coming and hitting to the surface and it turning back to the another way, but it is coming in a straight way, going on the straight way. It will never go in the curve path. Okay, so reflection is light returns back in same medium after heating the surface, heating the any surface, if the light returns back in the same medium after heating the any surface, this is called reflection, called reflection of light. Means if light is coming from anywhere, hitting to the surface and returning back in the same medium is called reflection. Let's say this is a mirror. And light is coming from here, hitting to the surface. After hitting, it will return back in the same medium. If here was the air, after returning also it is in the air, coming from air and returning back in the air. So this is what reflection. Okay. The coming ray is called incident ray. Incident ray. And going ray is called reflected ray. Okay. If we draw a line which is perpendicular to the surface, means like this, if this is the surface, if you draw a line perpendicular to this, then this line is called normal. This line is called normal. Normal, not normal, normal. Okay. So this is reflection of light. Okay. So rough it first, copy it, let me rough it. Try to understand. Suppose we have a mirror or any plane surface, light will come here, it will strike here and it will return back the same medium. This is called reflection. And if we join this line to here, this line is called normal. This line is called normal. This is called normal. This is called incident ray, this is called reflected ray, this is called normal. One. Now law of reflection we need to know. Law of reflection. The first law is, try to understand. If this ray is coming, this light is coming and striking the surface and returning back into the same surface, this line has been joined, this line is called normal. So the angle made with incident ray and normal, incident ray and normal is called incident angle, represented by I. And angle made by reflected ray and normal, this is called R. Reflected, this is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So this angle is angle of reflection, or this is called angle of incidence. So law number one, law of reflection is, first law is incident angle and reflected angle and angle of reflection are equal. Angle of incident and angle of reflection both will be equal. It means that angle I will be equal to angle R. Here you see angle I, here you can see angle R. Angle I and angle R will be equal. This is the first law of reflection. What is the first law of reflection? Simple. Coming angle equal to going angle. Over. Coming angle is what? Incident angle. Going angle is what? Reflected angle. Coming angle equal to going angle, that is called law of reflection. First law of reflection. Second law of reflection is, try to understand. See this point. Light is coming here in this point, going in this point, in this line, and normal is this. All three lie in a same plane. Means if you draw a line, if a light will come here, light will go there, and a normal, all three if you draw and keep on a paper, all will come in a paper. Means all will come in a same plane. So second law is angle. Second law is incident line, incident ray, reflected ray, and normal lie on a same plane. Or lie on a same plane means incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, all three lie in a same plane. So what is the first law of so what is the law of reflection? There are two laws of reflection. First law is incident angle and reflected angle are equal. Second law is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, all three lie in a same point, same plane. All three lie in a same plane. All lie in a same plane. This is the simple law of reflection. Law of reflection, simple way you can say, coming angle equal to going angle, coming angle equal to going angle, and coming ray, going ray, and normal in a same plane, same plate. A plate and a plate, eating, for eating supper, all three will be in the same plate, same plane, not plate. Okay. So incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, all three will be in same plane. So these are the two law of reflection. So law of reflection is what? Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, all three lie in a same plane. Another thing. Now there are two types of reflection. First type is called regular reflection. Regular. What is regular reflection? Regular reflection means, just think, when we see the plane mirror, when we see the mirror, our photo will be very nice. Yeah, photo will be very nice. But when we see any object, let's say book, we are unable to see our photo. Our image is not formed in the book, but it is formed in the mirror. Why? Why we can't see anything in another object like a mirror? So first we know to what is regular reflection. Regular reflection means if a surface, this is the surface, if light is coming on the surface, let's say all lights are coming parallel, and after reflection also they are becoming parallel, then this is called regular reflection. Means all light will go in the same way. This is called regular reflection. This surface will be plane, the reflection will be in the same direction. Reflection will be in the same pattern. but one another is called what is called diffuse reflection. Or this is also called irregular reflection. What is irregular reflection? If light is coming on the surface, let's say 3 ray has come, and after reflection one will go in this direction, one will go in this direction, one will go in this direction. All 3 are in different direction. After reflection, lights are not going in the same direction. This is called irregular or diffuse reflection. Okay, so here image will be brighter, here image will be not brighter. Here the image formed will be very bright, but here image will be dim, or we not able to see. So when we are unable to see any object, if this is the condition, or some object absorb the light, do not reflect all lights, so in that case also we can't see the image. Okay, so this is the regular. How many types of reflection? 2 types of reflection. One is a regular reflection, other is a diffuse reflection, or it is. Now sometime if you have gone somewhere in the salon, you may have seen something. If we have a 2 mirror, you go in salon and check. If you go in the salon, then you will see one mirror is on this wall, one mirror is on this wall, and you are sitting here. Once you are seeing the mirror, then you are seeing that mirror, inside the mirror there is another mirror, in that you are also there. So your photo in that mirror will be more than one. If your image is formed in this mirror will act as another object, his image will form in this mirror, this mirror will be acting as a object, and this image will again form in this mirror. So when two, next right topic, multiple image. When multiple image formed, first let me write. When two or more than two mirror are kept at some angle, then multiple image formed. What I have said? Now try to understand. When two or more than two mirror are kept at any angle, let's say I am taking this is one mirror, this is another mirror. So if any two mirror will be kept at any angle, here will be one object. Let's say here you are going to see anything. If you are standing here you are standing, here is a mirror, this is a mirror, you are standing here. Then one photo will be here and one photo will be in this mirror. In this mirror, this mirror will act as an object and it will form another mirror here, another image here, and this object will form mirror image in this mirror. That means you can see multiple image. So sometime if you go in the mall and you may have seen the trial room. If you go in the trial room, you may see, if you are going to buy something in cloth or anything and you are going inside the trial room, you see there will be many mirrors at the many different angles, or maybe at least two mirror will be in this side or this side. Am I right? So then if you stand, then you will see that so many mirrors are there, so many photo are there. The same person, you will be able to see one person photo more than two. more than one. So you will see this is me, this is me, this is me, this is me, which is actual me. Am I right? So this happens due to multiple mirror. So multiple time reflections happens. Here is the object, its reflection here, is the image formed here, this one image formed here, this image act as a object, its image will be formed here, its image will be formed here. So many image will be formed depending on the placement of mirror, at what angle they are placed, okay, and how many mirrors are there. So this is a case of multiple image. So what is the condition of a multiple image? At least 2 mirrors should be there and they should be placed at any angle. Okay, don't do anything like one mirror you have taken, another mirror you have taken, you just reverse way. Here is a painted area, so that in that case image will be not multiple. Okay, so this is a multiple image. Now some small concept you have about the human eye. Human eye, this human eye concept is not too much, you have to study this all in the higher class, but higher class means 10th and 12th, but you have something. Let's see, this is a human eye. Okay, this my drawing is very bad, so you don't see my drawing. This outer layer is called cornea. This is called cornea. This is actually a spherical, almost a spherical. This is cornea. Cornea is outermost transparent layer. This is the outermost, which is the outer side of the eye, is cornea. And what is the use of this? It protects our eye from the bacteria, dust or anything. And after eye we have liquid. And then we have one muscles, this is called iris. And then we have human eye mirror, here is a lens. Here is the ciliary muscles. This whole is called pupils. This is iris, this is what? Cornea. This is called iris. And this is called, this is lens. This is what? Lens. And this is ciliary muscles. So now when we, sometime you see, have you seen sometime you sleep at night or day, anytime. Let's say you are sleeping at night. You are sleeping, you are closing your eye for a long time. Someone is coming and suddenly turning on the light. Then you are saying, yaar, off light. That time you will be closing your eye. Why? You know, because the light, when your eye is closed, there is no light going in your eye. At that time, the size of iris, means these muscles, this whole, this side you can see pupils, this size will be larger. When light will be less, then pupil will be larger. Who is controlling the pupil? Pupil is controlled by iris. So it will be large. When you are turning on your eye, so large amount of ray is going in your eye, and that's why you are unable to, then you are feeling a stress. When light, this layer is automatically adjusting depending on the intensity of light. So this is actually get control. This is get control of the light. It all light coming here, it will only decide how much light should pass. Who? Which one? Iris. Okay, the size of pupils is controlled by iris. Iris will contract or elong, means if it will increase the length, then gate will be closed. If it will decrease the length, the gate will be larger. Okay, so this is, and when light is coming, then our eye have to protect, and our eye should protect the ray or limit the ray so that eye should be not stressed. So limited amount of eye will be allowed to go, and that all other eye will be stopped by iris. Okay, and you have seen iris in eye class. Okay, we shall see this all in the higher class, which that means 10th class. So these are, and this is called retina. Here is here light is coming from here. Suppose this is light which will come here. Okay, so this one is, what is this? This is what? Cornea. This cornea will bend the light. This is another purpose of this cornea, is bending the light, and this will pass through the lens and it will form somewhere image on the retina. So this all light will meet at the retina, and this retina image will be formed. This image will be inverted, means opposite. I means if you are seeing the object, I am standing, the retina will form image that I am reversely standing. Means my leg is mele and head is kile. Okay. So in this, but this will be this is a one photo. It is a very sensitive, photosensitive. Means retina is a very photosensitive. It sends the photons, means light. Okay, and this image will be sent by, this is called optical nerves. This image will be sent by optical nerves to our brain. Okay, so image will be formed here, it will send to our brain, and brain will understand. Here image is opposite, but our brain will make it correct, and it will understand that there is one object. Okay, so this is the work of retina. Retina is nothing but one plane, you can see a screen to see the, have you seen the movie? There is a screen. The same thing is retina. Here all picture will be formed here, and that picture will be transferred to the brain by optical nerves. Now at this point where retina and nerves both joining, I mean there is junction, at that point there is a dark spot. Dark spot means there will be no image formation, so you can't see that object. If the light is coming here, means this retina and nerves junction, then at that point you can't see. Example, you can do practical at home. Suppose you are make one dot here and one cross here on a paper. Take one paper, mark here something, make here a dog, here a cat, and see keep in your in front of eye and start seeing. Slowly increase or decrease your position of paper. Then you will be seeing that one time one object or one photo will disappear. If you are seeing, or you can do this experiment by closing your one eye. It will be you will be able to see that one object is, your eye is unable to detect one object. I mean you will not able to see one object because that image is forming at the dark spot. Okay. So remaining things about the eye we shall see in the 10th class. Till it is okay enough, and remaining things whatever it will be, I will upload it soon, and remaining all topics I will upload soon. I will request you all to subscribe my channel. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet again soon.